Hi, I'm Karen Egan from the Illinois State Library, and I'm here with Team Make It Count. Could you introduce yourselves, please?
Hello, I'm Jennifer Stouser from the Columbia College Library.
I'm Rochelle Stivers from Heartland Community College, and also not with us today, but on the team is Erin Zimmerman, also from Heartland Community College.
Hi, I'm Jessica Bastian, and I'm from Illinois Central College.
Hello, I'm Anne-Marie Green, and I'm from Kishwaukee College.
Great, thank you. So tell us, where will you go from here with your project?
Take that one.
The project has been about creating a data tool and putting together a forum for librarians to discuss student success and the library's impact on student learning. And our next steps are going to be to try to collaborate with other libraries to use the data tool to start that forum and start that collaboration on best practices to find out what our impact on student success really is.
Great. What did you want your project to achieve, and did you succeed?
I think, that's one of those mixed bags kind of things. We knew we wanted like a website where people could talk about the issues surrounding collecting student data in different ways and applying it to show student achievement. And we knew we wanted some sort of tool that would make it easy for people to do that. And we already have a prototype, thank you very much. So we did manage to do that. And so we'll be able to, libraries will be able to plug in their data and use it as they need. The tricky part though that we wanted to achieve that is good longer term is to take that student data and compare it to the data that our colleges collect on students. So a basic demographic profile of the type of student who uses the library and whether their use of various library services actually has an impact on whether they retain, on what their GPA is, compared especially to students who don't use the library.
We haven't had much time to use the tool because it's been in development. We haven't had to use it at our own colleges yet, we're anxious to use it.
Yeah. Okay. Do you think your project can be used by any library, anywhere?
So it can be used in academic libraries since we all belong to CARLI, which is a consortium of academic libraries in Illinois. And the database tool is built off of
Voyager.
Voyager, queries that come out of there,
So-
what information we have access to, how we feed it. And for academic libraries, yes, for public, the fit isn't.
So basically, the one thing you need to know about our tool is when we started this project and we came to ILEQ with some very specific questions that are affecting a very specific audience, and that audience is academic librarians who work at institutions that are in Illinois and also members of the same consortium. So in that way, our project is very geared towards a specific library type and a specific kind of librarian, if you will. So, but theoretically, as the project continues and we start to develop hopefully some strong outcomes, it will be a process that can be replicated by other states, by other types of libraries, by public and K through 12. So I think that the framework for use by other libraries is there, but at this step we are very narrowly focused, and I think that is actually what gives our project a lot of value at this stage. So.
That's great. That's great. Now, with the benefit of hindsight, what would you change about your original concept?
I think we might have been more patient with ourselves. I mean, we all thought we'd be using the data tool in our own institutions right now, and we're still developing it. So
I think we all had really lofty goals, and we knew coming into it that there was so much that we wanted to accomplish. And in our world, this is such a hot topic, and people are so interested in it that it was really exciting to be given the opportunity and the resources to start working on it. So we came to this project with a lot of excitement, and then patience, I think, is what we learned. I think we still have a lot of excitement, but maybe being a little tighter in scope and in scale at the beginning would have been beneficial.
Okay, great. What were your top 3 resources for the project?
I think we all agree it's kind of
The members on the team.
The members on the team were really, I think it worked really well, not just in terms of personalities, but in terms of skill sets.
We
With
all have
everybody-
different roles, we all have different strengths, and it was a very good group working together.
Yeah, and it just works nicely with, we all kind of duties fell as they needed to the people most capable of doing them. So yeah.
And Tony, our mentor, was a great resource,
Yes.
just as a coach and kind of just always there to reassure us or help us move forward. And this group, we met faithfully every other week since the beginning of iLead USA. So right after we came home from March, the March session, we decided we were going to meet every other week, and we did. And I think I'm going to really miss those meetings. So it'll be kind of interesting going forward. But
And the third would be, I think, iLead, and the opportunity, not only the funding, but also the education that has been provided us through this experience. The website that Erin built, she was introduced to Drupal here, and it has been incredibly educational and a very positive experience, so thank you.
Okay, great. Well, thank you very much.
Thanks.
Thank you.